This is the ESR Geo wallet, and it's a really good idea.
So thanks so much to ESR for sponsoring this video. This is for any of you who have ever had that annoying half an hour where you're just trying to go out and you can't find your wallet. This is a wallet with built-in Apple Find My. Certainly got a large storage capacity, but it ticks a lot of boxes. It's thin, it's lightweight, and it's stylish. And I really like the color. It's definitely going with my style at the moment. It goes nicely with my ESR iPad case. That's in another video if you're interested. Little on button there in the leather. Although I'm not an iPhone user, I can just share this with my wife. And she's always got her iPhone with her, of course. And otherwise, I can always just get out the iPad and find it that way. I mean, it's just a really good idea, isn't it? It's currently a Kickstarter, but that finishes on the 1st of September. It certainly seems like a very complete product. And of course, ESR have a good track record of delivering these things. Most important card, isn't it? So let's take it out and see it in action. It's such a good idea. It's a wonder that it's the world's first wallet with built-in Find My. I really like that it's rechargeable, so it's not something you, like a Find My tag, you have to just buy extra watch batteries to put in them. And they make a really good point on their Kickstarter page, and there's a link to that Kickstarter page in the description. This wallet at its super early bird price is $38, and an AirTag itself is $25. If you were then to buy a wallet for that to go into, then you're getting a total somewhere around 70 quid for a wallet with an AirTag in it. And this has just got one built in. I think it's really smart, actually. It also does have RFID blocking, so you can be sure that people aren't just going to scan your credit card in your back pocket. And they're really nicely designed, and actually there's lots of different colors there. I've gone for the aged leather, which suits my style. And you won't need to be constantly recharging it because it's a 5-month battery life, so that'll be absolutely fine. So I've been using this ESR wallet for about a week now, and yeah, I really like it. I really like that it's got space for all my cards and cash at the back, and some coins as well if you need that. And I've been using a Find My card in my wallet, so it's really nice that I don't have to make space for that anymore. And it works just fine with the Apple Find My network, and there was no issues setting that up at all, or with sharing that with my wife, so that's really, really useful. It's just such a good idea. It's a really nicely made faux leather wallet. It's got space for your ID card, 2 spaces actually, with a little window, extra cash I suppose, coins or extra cards in here. And this Find My card section is fully rechargeable. There are lots of different colors available. I mean, I like this one because it sort of matches my new watch strap. And you just have to charge it for 2 hours every 5 months, which that's fantastic. And just like an Apple AirTag, it will play a little sound once you've used the app to get close to it. It's a good wallet. And of course, it would make a great gift with holiday season approaching as well. So look, pointing straight ahead. Found it. So they're off playing hide and seek with my wallet. Meanwhile, I've lost the little black cover to my microphone, so I'm looking for that here. It's a pity that it doesn't have a Apple Find My chip in it. Well, you don't have to guess, you have to use Mummy's little app to find it. So walk straight ahead. Thank you.